Welcome back. If you stick with me today, we're going to do 5 rounds of plank exercises. 3 styles of straight arm planks. Both arms, right side and left side, with a recovery separating each round. I'm Miles Borchard. Let's get started. Each exercise will last approximately 30 seconds. Don't forget to smash that like button. The reason I like straight arm planks is it builds core and arm strength. For those that have a hard time doing push-ups, this will help build some extra arm strength. You will definitely feel it. We have 30 seconds each time. You can do it. If you can't make it for 30 seconds, that's okay. Take a break if you need to. This isn't a sprint. We're in it to win it. Nice work. Let's get ready for the right side. Only your hand and feet are touching the ground. If you want to extend your other arm in the air, you can. It will give you something to focus on. Do your best to keep your leg and back in one straight line. You will begin to shake, that's okay. You are doing great. Let's do the left side. Find your groove and let's go. On the side plank, make sure you are pulling your hip away from the ground. Try not to sag. Pull it into your core. Focus on flexing those abs. Even if you can't see your abs, they are still there and they want to come out to play. Almost done with round 1. You got it. Few more seconds. Nice work. Relax and rest. If you want to stretch out your abs with the yoga move, try child's pose. Catch your breath because we're going to do it again. Breathe in and out. Control your breathing. Get ready. Here we go. Round 2. Get pumped. Now there's one thing I hate, and it's cheaters. It's okay to take breaks, but don't cheat yourself. I don't want to see mountaintops or saggy bottoms. Let's get some nice straight backs and legs. Pull your belly button into your spine. Concentrate on flexing your arms and abs. Tighten them. You've got this. Good work. Let's get ready for the right side. Now there are outside forces trying to pull you down. It might be gravity or the rain, or it might be some negative thoughts talking to yourself saying you can't do it. You have to rise up, flex those muscles. Get rid of those negative thoughts and replace them with positive ones. You can do this. You're almost done. Few more seconds. Great work. All right, let's get ready for the left side. Left arm, here we go. Think of something that you're thankful for. How has it blessed your life? If you want to say it out loud, say it. What? I can't hear you. What are you grateful for? Nice, exactly. That's the power of gratitude. Now you're almost done with round 2. Ten more seconds. Let's rest. Focus on that breathing and recovery. Breathe in and breathe out. out. Get ready for round 3. 2 arms. Let's go. Be happy. You're getting stronger. Go ahead and smile. Find your happy thoughts. If you start to shake, just say, I'm almost done. I'm almost done. You can even count down. Count nice and loud. Alright, let's get ready for that right side. Right side, let's begin. Keep it nice and straight. If you need to stop here and take a break, that's okay. Rest a little and come back strong. If you can't make it the whole 30 seconds, that's okay. Do your best, and your best will become more next time. Find that happy place. Great work, guys. We're almost done with round 3. Let's crush this left side. If you start to shake, just think of things that don't move, like statues, rocks, or mountains. Don't think of water or earthquakes. Find your still. Center your body and mind. Just a few more seconds. Yeah, nice. Okay, breathe in and out. Relax. Try to slow your breathing and your heart. We've got 2 more rounds. You are working hard. Let's go. You are going to get the results you want. You're putting in the time. When you get the shake, just shake it out. Shake, 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 Shanora. Shake it all the time. Center your mind and ground your hands and your toes. Right side. You have completed 5 minutes of planks. Nice work. You're almost done. Keep it tight. Pull your hips up. Don't fall. Keep it straight. Keep it straight from your ankles to your calves, to your quads, glutes, obliques, chest, spine, neck, all the way up to your shoulder. Good work. Left side, let's get ready. Looking good. Look at you. You're doing great. Keep that hand planted strong. It's like cement. Your fingers are cement. Your wrist is cement. Your forearm is cement. Your bicep and tricep is cement. Your shoulder is cement. You are strong. All right, relax. Breathe. You've almost crossed that finish line. Last round, dudes. Are you ready? Let's get pumped. stay focused and believe we can do it. No sagging. Here we go. Last round. Focus your mind and center your thoughts. You are not getting tired, you're getting stronger. Look at you. Feel the shake and shake it out. Yippee-ki-yay! Right side. Ooh-wee! Your legs and arms are straight. Keep that spine straight with your legs. You've got this. Yeah, baby. Don't drop. Pull it up. Keep it tight. Few more seconds. You've got this. Pull it up. Last plank. Party's almost over. Let's boogie. Find your happy place. Keep it strong. Think of those things you're grateful for. I'm grateful for you. You are awesome. This is it. 10 more seconds. Pull it up, you got this. A few more seconds. Yeah, nice work. You did it. Great work, dudes. Thanks for joining me on this workout. Let's stretch out our abs. If you like this workout, subscribe and smash that like button. Comment what other kind of workouts you like. I'll see you next time.